Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Success Academy. In previous video friends, we have discussed SSLC passing package part 1. In today's video, we are going to discuss about SSLC passing package part 2. Okay friends, before going to that, I am requesting all my viewers to please do like, subscribe. Okay friends, let us begin with distance formula. Finding the distance between 2 points A 8,3, B 2,11. Okay friends, this question will be asked definitely in exam for 2 marks friends. The points will be changed only. It is very simple friends. Let us begin. Write down the points. A 8,3, B 2,11. Okay friends, now give them namings. First one is x1, x1 y1, next x2 y2. This is very important friends. You have to know the values, which one is x1 and which one is x2. No, the formula for distance formula is d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay friends, now let us begin. Put the values, substitute the values, is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. x2 is 2, x1 is 8. 2 minus 8 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 whole square. Now it will become square root of 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8 is 6. Greater number is 8. Greater sign is minus. So minus 6 whole square plus 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 square. Okay friends. Minus into minus will become plus. It will become 6 square is 36 plus 8 square. 8 is 64. Now friends, 36 plus 64 is 100. Square root of 100. Square root of 100 means 10. 10 units. The distance between these 2 points is 10 units. This is very simple friends. Friends, now we are going to solve problem 2. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are given. Now, this question will be asked for 3 marks friends. The solving this method is very simple friends. Just you have to substitute the values of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. But you have to remember the formula properly. The formula is area of triangle is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3. Okay friends, plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay friends, this is very simple formula. You have to remember it. If you can't remember it, the logic is 1, 2, 3. x1, y2 and 3. Next x2, after 2 we get 3. 3 after 3 again 1. Next x3, after 3 we get again 1 and 2. You have to remember this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. And you can substitute. Now, let us substitute the values friends. Before that, let us give x1, x2, x3, y1, y2 and y3. These are the values you have to substitute in the formula friends. Is equal to half into, substitute the value of x1, y2, y3. x1 is minus 5, y2 is minus 5, minus y3 is 2, plus x2 value is 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 is 2 minus y1 value is minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. Okay friend. You have to remember the signs. Which one will become positive, which one will become negative also. Next, plus x3. x3 is 5 into y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2, minus 1 minus minus 5, minus 1 minus minus into minus plus 5, bracket close. Let us solve. Half into minus 5, minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. Next, plus 3 into 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 5 into 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay friends, now multiply. Half into minus plus 5 sevens are 35, plus 3 threes are 9, plus 5 fours are 20. Okay friends, now add it. 35 plus 9, 44. 44 plus 20, 64. No. 64 half is 32. We are finding the area of triangle. Area of triangle will be, unit is 32 square units. Unit is very important, friends. You have to mention it. Friends, now let us move on to our next problem, which is on AP. This question is asked in many model papers for 2 marks, friends. Now, how to solve this? How many 2 digits are divisible by 3? First, 2 digits numbers start with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and end at 99, friends. Okay. 10 is not divisible, 11 is not divisible, 12 is divisible. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, dash 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 dash. Last digit 2 digit number is 99. Is 99 divisible by 3 or not? We have to check. 99 is divisible by 3. 333s are 99. Okay friends. If 99 is not divisible, we have to take next previous number and again previous number, friends. Okay. Now, this is our AP. This is first term. This is last term. First term A is equal to 12. Common difference. D is equal to second term minus first term. 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. D, AN is last term. AN is equal to 99. We have to find how many means number n. N is equal to question mark, friends. Nth term formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay friends. Substitute the values. A is equal to 12 plus n we don't know, n minus 1, D is 3 and AN is 99. Okay friends. 99 is equal to 12 plus multiply 3 into n, 3n minus 3 ones are 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3n is equal to 99. 99 plus 9, if it becomes here, it will become minus 9 is equal to 3n. 3n is equal to 99 minus 9 is 90. Next, n is equal to 90 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 30 is a 90. So the value of n is 30. Means there are total 32 digits number which are divisible by 3 from 10 to 99. Okay friends. Now same questions they will ask you by how many 2 digits number are divisible by 2, 4, 5, any number they can ask. Just you have to remember the table of that number. First number where it starts and where it ends. Okay friends, let us move on to our next problem. The next problem is also from AP, which is very important for 2 marks, friends. The problem is find sum of first 20 terms of AP. The number they have given 2, 7, 12 using suitable formula. We have to find the sum of first 20 terms of this series. Okay friends, let's write down the data. Given A, first term is 2. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. 7 minus 2 is 5. Next, n. They have given n. The sum of first 20 terms means n is equal to 20. Okay, we have to find sum means Sn. Sn formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay friends, now we have to find Sn. Let us substitute the values. N is equal to 20 by 2. A value is 2a plus n is 20 minus 1 19, d is 5. Okay, now 20 by 2 is 10, 2 2s are 4, 19 5s are 95 is equal to 10 into 95 plus 4 is 99. 99 into 10, 90. The sum of first 20 numbers of this series will become 990 friends. Okay. Same type of question they will give. They will change the only n. They will change for 15 terms, 25 terms, 30 terms, and the series will be changed. 3, 7, 12. Nothing. There will be nothing friends. It will be easy. Just substitute the values and solve the problem. Friends, passing bracket part 2 is now completed. Soon I will make another video on part 3. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, please watch it. The link is in description friends. Okay. Thank you. Now, in this holidays time friends, please utilize your time, do work in home and stay safe, stay happy.